Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to publish pages to your Shopify store using GemPages Builder. Publishing pages makes your custom designs live and visible to your customers. On your Shopify dashboard, we are assuming you already have the GemPages Builder app installed. If you don't have it yet, just click on Apps and install the GemPages app. Once the app is installed, click on it to open it. As you can see, there are many pages to choose from. We will now create a new page and pick a theme. For example, let's select this theme. After selecting the template, we just need to confirm and load it into the editor. Let's wait for it to load. Once it's ready, we can make any edits we like. Feel free to change anything to match your needs. When we're happy with the design, we just click Publish. Skip any extra steps and confirm the publish. And that's it. That's how we publish our GemPages design to our Shopify store. Our custom page is now live and ready for visitors.